Hello everyone, and welcome to the fourth video in the how to build a silo structure blog using free WordPress plugin series. In this video we're going to look at how to configure the category posts and the other plugins that we've already installed so that the posts that you have in your blog display in the appropriate sections of the silos. As a quick recap, we used the Widgets on Pages plugin to allow us to add widgets in the sidebar for each of the silo pages that we have created or you have in your blog. The next step was to add the Category Posts plugin into the new sidebars that were created by the Widgets on Pages plugin. Now we're going to look at how to configure the Category Post plugin so that it displays the appropriate silo architecture on the correct pages. And as an example, in the test blog here we have the front page. We move into the apples silo and we can see the silo structure has created links to all of the posts that we have in the apples category, and then at the bottom of each page the related posts show so that we have a solid silo structure in our blog, and we're going to show you now how that is achieved. The process is actually very simple, and on this side of your blog you'll see we have the category posts. You can give it a title if you want, and you have to select the appropriate category for each silo plugin that you have in the sidebar. Now, as you can see, when I click the drop down, I'm just given the option of apples. And even though when we look at banana, the category still gives us just the one option of apples, and that's because I only have posts currently in the apples category. It could be confusing for some people when you know that you've set the categories up and you're trying to configure your blog to take advantage of this, if you don't see the categories you expect. And this just points out that the reason for that is we don't have posts in those categories, and to reinforce that I'm just going to add a quick post into one of the other categories. There's nothing special about the way we add the posts, just click add new, and I'll do this quickly. We'll give the post a title and add in some copy, choose the banana category and quickly publish it. We can see from the permalink that it's posted in the banana category, the title of the post, and then when we come back to our widgets page and we look at the banana category and the category posts, we now have options for the category apples or bananas. In this case, because this is the banana category that I want the posts to appear, I'll click banana. You'd obviously click whichever category is relevant to you. Pick a number of posts to show, and you have a choice of sorting by date, title, comments, or just random, and the choice is entirely up to you. In this case I'm going to choose by date. The other options you can go through as you need, and when you're happy click on save. Providing you've got posts in the other categories, you'd go through exactly the same process for all of the remaining sidebar widgets. Having added all of the additional content that's needed, we can now choose, and you can see that pretty much it should default, and all you need to do is just save once you're happy with the number of posts that you want to show, a title if you want to give it one, etc. If I do one more for you, and you can see here category, change that to category 2. We'll show the last 5 posts. We'll sort in date order and save. And on the last one, for something different, what I'll do is choose one of the other options, and this is basically so that you can feel confident in changing things around if you need for additional benefit. Select category 1. We will select 5 posts, but in this one what we're going to do is we're going to show a post excerpt, and we'll choose let's say the first 30 words of that particular post, and when we look at the category 1 silo page, you'll see the difference. Now once you've set all of the sidebars up, the way to get the content to appear is actually quite simple. If we open up the top, you can see here the text that says widgets on pages sidebar, use the shortcode, and the section in between the square brackets is the shortcode that you want to put on your page. So we have there up to the square brackets. Highlight it and copy it. Navigate to your Apple's page. Select edit, and at the bottom of the page paste it in. Remember that with the shortcode you can do that either in the text or in the visual aspect, and click update. To show you how that would affect your page, we'll look at the banana silo page at the bottom there. Go back to our appearance, widgets, select the banana sidebar, select the shortcode for the banana sidebar, copy it, navigate back to the banana pages, edit it, come to the bottom and paste in. Click update, come to our banana page, and I'll quickly refresh this, and you can see there that links to the additional pages have now appeared from your silo. All you then need to do is repeat the process for each of the other sidebar widgets. Find the appropriate shortcode at the top, copy it out and paste it into the pages. Once that's done, all of your silo pages will then have links to the original posts. And if you remember, I made a slight change in the category 1 setup, and I wanted an excerpt, and this is how that would look. So again, using this, it gives you the opportunity that if you are trying to rank for terms and to put things in context, you can put your links within other text that is highly targeted at the silo structure and the terms that you're trying to rank for. As a recap, The first thing to do is select the correct category for the sidebar and choose the number of posts to show. Add the shortcode to the for the sidebar to the silo page where you want the list of posts to appear, and then customize the options to suit the need. So if you want to show an excerpt, tick the box, and the length of words or the number of words to appear. That's it for this fourth video in the how to build a silo structured blog using free plugins, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.